Hi, in this video we are going to see what is the Microsoft PowerPoint is. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation based program that is uses graphics, video, images, all these things it use, and to make our data is some data we wanted to present it. So based on with the help of graphics, graph charts, we can make our presentation more interacting and interesting as well. It will look very professional when we present our data and show it. So as of now you can see my on screen I have created this like view based on the our PowerPoint application only. So it is actually originally created in 1987 by Robert Goskin and Dennis Hastings. These two peoples who has get the concept of the Microsoft this PowerPoint application, and after the 3 months of this they created and they show it to world, right? After that the Microsoft found that this is very useful, and within 3 months they have acquired that that application itself, and they acquired by like about $14 billion. So they purchased from Robert and Dennis, and after the Microsoft company has worked a lot of enhancement, and they have added a lot of features on that. So a lot of versions are there from the 1918 to till now. As of now 2020, there is a lot of modification, a lot of features got added in Microsoft PowerPoint, but whole area, the main area and base area idea was from the Robert and Dennis Hastings. So in upcoming videos we will be seeing a lot of we will be learning how we can open the Microsoft PowerPoint, how we can close, how we can save, and how we can add slides. So each and everything we will be looking into the very detail in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.